Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CompTIA Security Plus. First, familiarize yourself with the exam objectives, which are available on the CompTIA website. These objectives outline the specific knowledge and skills you need to master. Next, select high-quality study resources, such as official CompTIA guides, video courses, and practice exams. A structured approach is key to success, so let's dive into building your effective study plan. To truly grasp the material, focus on understanding the why behind each concept, rather than just rote memorization. Create flashcards for important terms, acronyms, and port numbers to reinforce your recall. Engaging in hands-on labs is crucial. They help solidify your practical skills in areas like network security, cryptography, and risk management. Aim for at least 20 hours of practical application to complement your theoretical knowledge. Regularly taking practice exams is vital for gauging your progress and identifying areas that need more attention. Don't just look at your score. Thoroughly review every incorrect answer to understand why it was wrong. This targeted review helps you fill knowledge gaps. When you're closer to your exam date, simulate actual test conditions, including time limits, to build stamina and reduce test day anxiety. Aim for scores above 80% on practice tests. As your exam day approaches, ensure you get a good night's sleep. A well-rested mind performs better. On the day of the exam, arrive at the testing center early to avoid any last-minute stress. During the test, read each question and all answer choices very carefully before making your selection. Trust your preparation, manage your time wisely, and you'll be well equipped to succeed on your CompTIA Security Plus certification exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.